Welcome to ElectroTunes CEWP.
Some important safety tips. Do not use water extinguishers on electrical fires. Make sure everyone knows where extinguishers are located. Don't try to fight large or fast-spreading fires. Train staff.
All about fire extinguishers, your first line of fire defense. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most essential safety tools that can literally save lives and property, the fire extinguisher. We'll answer questions like, what is a fire extinguisher? Who invented it? How does it work? What types are there? And how should you use and maintain one? Whether you're a homeowner, office manager, student, or safety officer, this is knowledge everyone should have. So let's get started. History of fire extinguishers. The concept of fire extinguishers dates back over 200 years. The first known fire extinguisher was invented in 1723 by Ambrose Godfrey, a chemist in England. It was essentially a container filled with a fire-extinguishing liquid, and a gunpowder charge would release it. However, the more practical and modern-style fire extinguisher was invented in 1818 by Captain George William Manby, also from England. His device used a copper container filled with a solution of potassium carbonate and compressed air. Since then, technology has evolved, but the core purpose remains: stop fire quickly before it spreads. What is a fire extinguisher? A fire extinguisher is a portable device filled with a substance, liquid, powder, foam, or gas that is discharged to extinguish small fires. It is used in emergency situations and is usually the first line of defense when a fire breaks out, especially before the fire brigade arrives. Fire classes 7 o'clock to 9:30 *. To understand which extinguisher to use, you need to know the * classes of fire. These classes categorize fires by what is burning. Class A, ordinary combustibles, wood, paper, cloth. Class B, flammable liquids, petrol, oil, alcohol. Class C, flammable gases, propane, butane. Class D, combustible metals, magnesium, aluminum. Class E, electrical fires, appliances, wiring. Class F or K, cooking oils and fats.
If you find this video helpful, kindly share it to others. Using the wrong extinguisher can be ineffective or even dangerous. Types of fire extinguishers. Now let's go through the main types of fire extinguishers and their uses. Water extinguisher. Red label. Use. Class of fires only. Don't use on electrical or flammable liquid fires. Foam extinguisher. Cream label. Use. Class A and B fires. Do not use on electrical fires. Powder extinguisher. Blue label. Use. Class A, B, C, and electrical fires, known as a multi-purpose extinguisher. Leaves a residue, not ideal. Endorsco extinguisher. Black label. Use. Electrical and Class B fires, leaves no residue, ideal for offices. Wet chemical extinguisher. Yellow label. Use. Class F kitchen fires. Cooking oil, also suitable for Class A fires. Always check the label before using any extinguisher. How to use a fire extinguisher. Using a fire extinguisher is simple when you remember the word pass. P. Pull the pin. Aim low at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the handle to release the agent. S. Sweep the nozzle side to side across the fire. Keep a safe distance around 6 to 8 feet. Always aim at the base of the fire, not the flames. If the fire is too big or out of control, evacuate and call emergency services immediately. Maintenance and inspection. Fire extinguishers must be regularly inspected and maintained. Check the pressure gauge. It should be in the green zone. Ensure the seal and pin are intact. Look for corrosion or damage to the cylinder. Make sure it's easily accessible and not blocked. It's recommended to have professional servicing once a year and monthly visual checks by staff or safety officers. Safety precautions. Here are some important safety tips. Do not use water extinguishers on electrical fires. Make sure everyone knows where extinguishers are located. Don't try to fight large or fast-spreading fires. Train staff or family members on how to use extinguishers. Install extinguishers in kitchens, workshops, near exits, and in vehicles. Fire extinguishers are not a replacement for calling emergency services, but they can save lives in the first crucial moments. Common questions: how often should I replace a fire extinguisher?
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And remember, safety starts with knowledge. Stay safe and stay prepared. Most have a lifespan of 5 to 15 years. Check the manufacturer's label. Can fire extinguishers explode? Only if severely damaged or exposed to extreme heat. Proper storage is essential. Can I use a fire extinguisher more than once? If it's partially discharged, it must be refilled or replaced immediately. Conclusion, and that wraps up everything you need to know about fire extinguishers. We covered the history, the types and uses, how to operate them, maintenance and safety, and tips to protect your home or workplace. Fire extinguishers are life-saving tools, but only if we know how to use and maintain them. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And remember, safety starts with knowledge. Stay safe and stay prepared.